Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Wi-Fi option not showing in settings on Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset, click Reset Now. Second method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click UDPAT Driver, click Search automatically for drivers, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type netsh space, int space, IP space, reset. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flushdns. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.